You know what? I don't think this is gonna. What's that?
이거 뭐야?
오.
이거 그거 아니에요?
설마.
You hear it? Doesn't it sound like air raid?
공습 거 아니에요?
It's air raid siren. It's air raid.
Siren was telling everybody to evacuate.
Right.
Then the message now says it was over.
북한이 쏜 발사체는 추락했지만 서울 시민들은 이른 아침부터 큰 혼란을 겪었습니다.
저는 그때 자고 있었다가 갑자기 이렇게 문자 와요. 맨 위에 뜨는 건 뭐냐면 알레르타 데 게라. 스페인어로 떴어요 저한테. 진짜로? War alert. 그래서 그 대피하세요. 그래서 보니까 그래서 창문 보러 갔어요. 그냥 뭐라도 보일 거 아니에요. 근데 뭐 없어.
전쟁 난
그래서
줄 알고.
뭐지? 진짜 무서웠어. 근데 우리 일반인들인데 대처할 줄 몰라요. 과연 대사님 같은 사람 어떻게
네.
반응하실지 궁금하네요.
זהו, אז הייתה אזעקה כשהייתי בריצה. אוקיי, אז הייתה איזושהי בהלה כאן, כי עיריית סול אמרה בטענות והם...
Look, obviously, if something like this happens, then the question is, what is reaction of State of Israel? And I had to make sure that we communicate properly with headquarters about what we will say, how we will say it, and when we will say it. The alarm was when I was.
In jogging, in running.
Yeah. I immediately heard it was an air alarm. So I go back to embassy. 9 o'clock, I have a meeting of diplomats.
I see. Diplomats.
Yeah, I already spoke to Russia. We need to collect how other embassies are reacting.
I see. Okay.
And also facts. I have a couple things we have to check out, but we'll talk about it in the car.
Okay. How about?
Myung, is it okay if we have work meeting now?
Yes. Sure.
Check. Okay, so if this meeting takes place, that's good.
보안상의 이유로 블러가 조금 많이 있을 수 있어서 답답해 보일 수 있다라는 점 양해를 좀 부탁드립니다.
Russia will prepare the list today.
Okay.
Okay, because I sent her the list in Hebrew. So I should meet her after Foreign Minister's visit. It's
Okay.
not urgent, but sometime in June, follow-up meeting.
Follow-up meeting.
Last thing is North Korea disappeared from radar, failed to reach the drop point. Interesting. All right. That's everything I have, actually.
Okay.
야, 살면서 우리 대사관 내부는 저는 처음 봐요. 궁금합니다.
Welcome.
So, Ambassador, I don't have to remind.
Regarding?
Do I remind the meeting at 9 o'clock with the other staff?
I think everyone knows.
Okay.
But for diplomats.
Okay. At the conference room?
Yeah.
Okay. I will.
Thanks very much. How are you? Listen, President of K-Arts, something about 30th anniversary. How are you, dear friend? You look great.
Yeah, thank you.
I think conference was really good yesterday. Yeah. It's only one. It's like one sentence. I'll write it. Hanan, nidaber dvarim achirim. בסדר? Okay.
Ambassador, let me make sure that you please off your microphone at the meeting.
Right.
This
Yeah.
is been emphasized.
No,
to make it sure.
absolutely.
Okay.
I go into the meeting and then we take off the microphone.